How do we integrate the fourth power of secant x? Whenever we have such a trigonometric integral, it is always a good idea to play around with the powers in hopes of using some sort of substitution or identity. For example, we can decompose this into secant cubed times secant. Is there a substitution that can help us here? For example, if we take u equals secant x, then du would be secant tangent. But we don't have a tangent in the integrand, and it's not clear how to produce it. So this substitution won't really help. Let's think of something else. How about a different decomposition? Secant squared times secant squared. This looks promising because even powers usually lend themselves to some sort of identity. We know that secant squared x is identical to tan squared x plus 1. So let's use this. Should we replace both copies of the secant squared we have, or only a single copy? Let's only replace one of them. And the reason is, this allows us to use a substitution u equals tan x, because du would be secant squared x, which is exactly what we have outside the brackets. The integral becomes u squared plus 1 du, and that's very easy to integrate. This gives us 1/3 u cubed plus u plus a constant of integration. The last step is to substitute back the tan x. This gives us our final answer for the integral we started with. The integral of secant to the 4 is 1/3 tan cubed x plus tan x plus a constant of integration c.